Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So earlier y'all saw me folding up some clothes, putting away clothes or whatever. I was just trying to get those clean clothes out the way. I do have more clothes to wash. I am gonna wash them today and get them over with or whatever. So this is just like a spend a day with me, putting away clothes or sorting out clothes, doing laundry, and then I have to go to the auto body shop to go clean out my car. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys there, and then I have to go to the mall to go return something for my mom. I'm pretty much just gonna vlog throughout today. You probably won't hear a lot of talking from me. So yeah, if you guys enjoy this little vlog, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what to do. Turn your post notification on. Follow me on all social media down below. And yeah, just enjoy this little entertainment, sort of, kind of. So yeah, stay tuned. Y'all, rest in peace to my baby. I don't got no more car. After all these stuff I done did to this car, just for this lady to do me dirty like this, total out my car. That's just crazy. Out of all these hard work I did to this car, I'm gonna miss her. My cousin is stealing shit off my mirror. I'm gonna miss her so much. I just cleaned out the car and I'm not taking these seat covers with me. I don't care, but I guess it's time for a new car, guys. Y'all, my baby, like, oh my gosh, I'm going to miss her. I am going to miss my dark baby. Like, what? I'm so mad. Yeah, so the clothes are finished washing, so now I'm putting them in the dryer. So I got 45 minutes till everything is finished drying. So now I'm about to go back inside and take this wig off my head. So if you hear a noise, it's the vent. And my phone is standing up straight because I forgot the tripod downstairs and I wasn't turning back. So I'm about to take this damn wig off my head. So I have a lace wig bottom remover. So I don't know, everybody takes their wig off different. This is how I take it off. So I seen something like some people using like water or some shit. I could be getting that wrong, but that's how I always take it off with this shit. And I put a timer on the clothes. Well, I put a timer on my phone so I know when to go back. Y'all don't mind my big stomach. I be eating at like 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. I be gaining weight, people. I be gaining freaking weight. Yo, I hate taking off wigs. Like, what the fuck? Like I said, everybody takes wigs off differently, so don't judge me. Unless y'all have any other ideas, comment it down below. But don't be judging me. There was a wig cap on mine. Alright, give me a second. Alright, so it's off now. Jesus! Ah! Merciful Father, man. Alright, here comes the hard part. It's taking out the freaking wig cap. It's the hard part. I swear. This is where I cry. The wig cap. What do y'all be using to take your wig caps off? Because I be using this, water. And then, y'all know I don't got no edges already. Fuck. Ah. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Ah. Ah. You guys. Listen, I can't be a hot girl because I can't take pain, man. And I normally don't let the wig stay on my head for more than a week. This wig was on my head for 2 weeks. I played myself letting this wig stay on my head for 2 weeks, y'all. Played myself. Alright, ta-da. I took the wig off. It was time for it to go. I really don't want to take the braids out. This one is getting them out. Without the shadow. I really don't want to take this. I really do not want to take the braids out, even though it's time for it to come on. But I put some conditioner in my hair. Hopefully that works. So I'm gonna put my bonnet back on. And for now. So yeah. So I'll be catching you guys back in 45 minutes when the clothes done wash. Done dry actually.